here's how you can turn off notification preview on your Android phone. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So the notifications are going to show the preview if you don't change these settings. So open up the settings app, and on the main page we have the notifications menu. And we are interested in the lock screen notifications because this is where the previews are showing up, right? So you have the ability to tap there, and two options. We can either decide to turn off the lock screen notifications altogether, which is probably not ideal. You still want to be notified about it, but we just want to hide the content, which would be the second option. So click on hide content, and that means that the notification is going to be delivered. You'll see that you have a message, for example, but you will not see the first sentence of it, or you will not see the preview of what it is. You can as well tap on show content, but decide to manage it specifically by apps. You can decide, for example, that the messages, WhatsApp or Messenger, whatever, you turn it off for those, but other apps are probably going to be fine. So it is up to you to decide how exactly you want to use it. So that is something which I would do as well. When it comes to notifications and the previews on the home screen, I think it would be better to go to the notification pop-up style and decide if it's going to be a brief or a detailed, because this is going to be the difference between showing more or less information. So I would click on brief if I don't want to show every single content of the message or notification, right? So you can even decide on an app by app basis as well how it's going to look and so on. So that is something which you can manage here as well. But I hope it helps. Let me know if you found it helpful or managed to make it work. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the future uploads.